So today I was really looking forward to changing out the original grille on my V70, as this has done 301,000 miles and it's just chrome plated plastic that's deteriorated quite badly. So I bought myself a new grille, and it's the old type that's actually solid metal. So it's just chrome plated metal and it's in much better condition than mine. However, it turns out that the pre-facelift grills and the facelift grille that's on mine aren't interchangeable. So I'll still show you how to remove the grille on the facelift, and it should also work on the pre-facelift that has one less clip at the bottom. So you'll need a thin tool like Bojo Tip 9, and you've got 4 clips at the top and the bottom in these positions, and here, here, here and here. So you'll need to hold something to pull the grille back, and the same at the top. So this is the facelift grille, and as you can see, the clips are part of the grille. It looks like on the pre-facelift something clips into these holes, but the procedure will probably be the same. You should be able to push these tabs down in order to remove the grille, and there's just one less clip on the bottom